Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GizDev.com, and today we are going to see about the boot animation logo, how to install on any Android that is of MIUI 12. So it's an easy tutorial, so let's start. First of all, go to the link I have put in the description box and download the MIUI 12 boot animation zip file. So you can download that on dev drive. I have uploaded on dev drive, so you can download the zip file. I already downloaded it, so I will cancel it. So now to install the zip file we need the MAGISK manager. Remember, your mobile should be rooted and you should have the MAGISK manager installed. Then go to menu and then go to modules, then click on the plus sign icon and the browse for the file which you have downloaded already, that is the MIUI 12 boot animation zip file. Select the zip file, let me select yes, and click on OK. The file will install. You have to just follow the on-screen instruction, that is volume key, that will ask you to press volume up key, sometimes volume down key. So press according to that and it will get installed. So what you have to do is, after installation, just reboot the smartphone and you can see the changed animation on the next boot. So let's see. This is the animation of MIUI 12. I have slow motion it, so that is not like great something, but if you want to try the MIUI 12 animation, you can try using these steps. It's easy to uninstall. Now in case if you want to uninstall the boot animation, so you can do this by following these steps. Go to again MAGISK manager, then go to modules, then find the MIUI 12 boot animation and the little icon, that is delete icon, click on that. That you will say module will be uninstalled on next reboot. So next time you reboot your device, the module will be uninstalled. So that's easy. If you want to try, you can try using following these simple steps. That's it. See you in the next video.